jump.
Zoey dives right toward the girls. Ah! Oh no, the bed broke.
Oops, guess we got carried away.
Pajama party's over. Don't worry, I've got an idea. Pick the material for your beds.
Me first.
Sweets? Cardboard?
Let's go with sweets. You're cool with that, right?
I'll show you a trick for making a sweet bed for a doll. Need wafer sheets. I open the package with scissors. They're all different colors. Perfect. The base is wafers. Hey Zoey, don't eat them all.
No problem.
I thread the pieces onto wire.
Are we roasting them?
Nope, this is the mattress. I lay them out in rows. I add another row along the edge. Trim the sharp corners with a craft knife.
Now can we roast them?
Time for the headboard. One swirly marshmallow for Zoey.
Wow.
The rest go onto the wire. I form half circles. Now let's brighten up the bed. I shade it with pigment. Something's missing. I split it in half. Big pillows.
I brought macarons.
Look, they'll be tiny pillows. I open the box and spread them on the bed. And one for Zoey.
Whoa. Can't wait to taste it. It tastes like a rainbow. Yummy.
Exactly, you're a genius. A rainbow is perfect here.
Huh? What?
Got it. A whole bunch of gummy worms. I pin them all together. Attach the rainbow above the base. I write Zoey's name with frosting. Awesome! I put on colorful sprinkles. Cut out the base shape. Now it's Zoey's personal bed. Final touch, half pearls. Ta-da! We did it!
Let's try it.
How sweet!
Zoey, no, it's not food, it's a bed. You can't eat it.
Just one bite.
No.
What?
Absolutely not.
Hey, but I really want something sweet.
Maybe cupcakes will cheer you up?
Huh? Did someone say cupcakes?
Wow!
Take a seat and help yourself. How's it now?
Nice, thanks. All right, the bed looks great. I won't eat it.
The girls noticed Zoey's bed. Are you thinking what I'm thinking? My mouth is watering. Go!
Yummy!
They're gonna eat my bed.
Just a tiny taste.
No, don't eat it.
Stop! But it looks so yummy. Just a nibble. No, girls, it's a bed, not dessert. It's for resting. Whoa. You get cupcakes instead. Still good.
Yeah.
Thanks. Looks interesting, but it's too small.
You mean this can? What about this?
Nuh-uh.
No? Maybe this? Oops, la-boo-boo. Sorry, that trend is over. This is the right shape. Let's double the height.
Whoa!
You're moving upstairs.
What? Why?
Zoey will have a real penthouse.
But how will I get down?
Oops. Zoey doesn't need to worry. I'll make a slide for the doll. Need a straw. No, better a hole too. I cut it lengthwise with a craft knife. Secure the top. At the bottom, I place a foil plate. Add a border made of marshmallows. I'll fill the pool with mini marshmallows. A soft edge on the slide adds comfort. Final touch, a candy garland. I cut the bracelet and pin them in place.
Wow, that's amazing! Shall we test the slide with a pillow?
Yeah.
Sure, launch it. It works.
Woohoo!
Cool, again!
The pillows fall right into the pool. Got it.
Now me, let's go!
Woohoo!
A soft landing in the marshmallows. Wow, I want to turn too. The sweet pool is so much fun. Awesome.
Woohoo!
A 2-story candy penthouse. How can someone sleep this long?
Just 5 more minutes. Give the blanket back, it's cold.
Looks like I'll have to get Zoey ready myself. I'll take her to the workshop. I have an idea how to wake her up. The scent of Skittles.
What smells like that? I smell food.
Stop, stop! First, a new outfit. We need to take off the doll's robe. Oh, there's something interesting in my box.
Wow.
Is there food in there? Oh, it's just ribbons. Fine, do whatever you want.
I fix a loop around the neck, cutting off the extra. Wrap the doll's body with colorful ribbons.
Wow, what a lovely top.
Yeah.
Now let's make rainbow pants. I cut strips from fabrics of different colors. Stack them together and sew them. Stitch by stitch.
Good job.
The pants turned out awesome. Let's try them on Zoey. And now we can snack.
Skittles!
A yellow candy for Zoey.
I want more.
The rest are for decoration. I'll attach them to the pants and make a belt chain. Rainbow hair clips for the hairstyle.
Was it really worth waking me up for this? Where's my spot?
Zoey, what are you doing here?
Huh?
Can I lay down? Such a comfy pillow.
But Rumi is definitely not comfortable. Flight attendant,
Hey.
how can I help you? Please take this lady back to her class. Hey, miss, wake up. All right, it'll be easier to carry her. She needs a cozy spot. I'll make a rainbow seat for Zoey. We'll need a colorful poppet. Cut a piece of the right width using a craft knife and attach it to the backrest. The second piece becomes the seat. Secure everything with matching pins. For the sides, I choose orange foam sheet. Trace the shape and cut it out with scissors. Done. Decorate the armrests on all sides. I'll add bright rainbows. I think it turned out amazing. Although, maybe I should decorate it with Skittles? Attach the candies and hang the logo. Now Zoey will fly in color and comfort. By the way, where is she? Why is it taking so long?
Be quiet, I'm sleeping.
Looks like someone needs to get to her seat.
Good night and goodbye.
Huh? What?
Didn't you want to sleep?
I already slept enough. I want to sing and dance.
Woohoo!
What a wonderful seat. Microphone to the studio.
Here it is.
Lit the spark, let it burn too wild. Didn't see the smoke, I was running blind. The ashes whisper what I try to hide. Oh, I know I hurt you.
Baby is thrilled by Zoey's talent.
Yeah!
She deserves the most gorgeous bouquet. Looks like Baby asked for a bouquet for Zoey. I'll make it out of lollipops.
We'll need some foil.
Ooh, thanks. Wrap the Skittles candy in it, with the gold side inside. Now I need to cut out bright wrappers. Printed them in advance on sticker paper. Peeling off the backing and stick it onto the base. Wrap the bouquet with paper. This rainbow arrangement will definitely make Zoey happy. Thank you. We made it just in time for the last song. Zoey!
In the crowd, won't slow down.
Zoey?
One moment, the final note.
Zoey! This is for you.
Wow, what a gorgeous bouquet. Thank you.
Zoey loves lollipops. Oh wait, first we need to take off the wrapper. I think it'll taste better this way. Now they can enjoy it. I'll need a straw. Cut off a small piece. Wrap it with rainbow tape. Insert a stand. I'll make legs from cotton swabs. Use wire cutters. Secure the sticks. Attach a ring light on top. Using Skittles, I'll create a colorful mode for it. I glue tiny beads in a circle. Let's test it. It works! The streaming lamp is ready. We can host a live concert.
And how do you turn it on?
With a remote.
Thank you. Okay, I think I get it. All that's left is to set up the phone.
There's a special holder for it. Now we just need powerful speakers and microphones.
Let's go.
Snowflakes falling, glitter in the air, twinkle lights and magic everywhere. Chasing starlight, running through the glow. Catch the moment, never let
The performance is streaming straight to the stadium. You can sing from different places at the same time.
ignited. Snowfall, supernova, shining bright. The nights
Woohoo! Hot chicks!
And now everyone together.
Let's go.
Like the video and subscribe so you don't miss new crafts in golden and rainbow styles.